Hi guys, so welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted people from a photo using EPIK photo editor. So here I've already added a photo, and let's say that I want to remove this person at behind from this photo. So what you guys need to do is just go to tools on EPIK and then find remove. Okay, so just wait. Here you can just brush it off on the object that you want to remove, and you can also adjust the size of the brush. So let's try to brush it a bit like this, and or it's less, so it will be removed just like this. And you can also brush it off again, still there like this. Okay, I'm going to do it again. Then you are done. So here just click on the check icon. So let's see the before, and here is the after. Okay, so that's so easy, right? I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, click on the thanks button, and also comment if you have any question. Thank you.